One, Fubara. When your service stop, so just need something. You know I don't want to need something.
And aerospace development. Chief Festus Keyamo. Sang. The former governor of Rivers State, Sir Celestine Omehia. Distinguished Senator John Mbata, the President General of Ohaneze Ndigbo worldwide. Other leaders that are here with us, let me use Senator Mbata as a point of contact. The Secretary to the State Government, the Chairman of Rivers State Council of Traditional Rulers, our royal fathers that are here. I would want to do a bit explanation on this project so that we understand the reason why we are embarking on this project. And I'm also happy that Sergeant Awusi is here. About a year ago, this very respected community went and protested in the course of protests, maybe demanding for one thing or the other. They blocked the airport entrance. And it wasn't the first time. It is something that happens from time to time. And we've been looking for a way to resolve this issue. That particular one was so embarrassing. And it was the period when we were also going through very traumatic political wahala. So you can imagine blocking the airport. The interpretation was the government was not doing anything. The government could not even handle the situation. So we had to move in. We invited the community and asked, what is the issue? They mentioned issues of employment. I told them it was above my power. It's a federal agency, so we'll discuss with them. They mentioned issue of healthcare. I said, that is within my power. And immediately, I directed that the health center should be activated, and I believe today the health center is working functionally. They also demanded for electricity. I said, okay, no problem. That is within our power. We will do that. I also believe that that request was granted. So when we got back, we said, how do we solve this problem? Business activities was shut down in Rivers State that day. It wasn't a good thing. How would people come in to invest in Rivers State feel? At the slightest of provocation, my people will come and block the airport. I said, we need to look for a permanent solution to this problem. So what we're doing here today is to create, or we have already created. If we say creating, then it's like we intend doing it. We have started it already to create a bypass where the community people can access their place without interfering with the issue of the airport. The truth about it is not even healthy that you should be passing through the airport to your communities in case something happens. So we have resolved this issue for you today. This road would lead to your communities. It will also bring development. But just remember that I'm the one, it's our government that is constructing the road. Therefore, keep some part of it for River State government too. So we are happy that not just the community giving us the support, but the Minister of Aviation gave us support. The airport authority also stood by us. In fact, I wish some of them were contractors. They even wanted to start the job before us because they knew the importance of this project. So I'm happy that today, by the special grace of God, we are fulfilling that promise, and we're also solving the problem that always comes up when our community fall out with the airport authority. The advantage of this road cannot be overemphasized. It will bring a lot of development to this community. It will make life easy for them. Commercial activity will now increase. So I wish all of you well while you enjoy one dividend of democracy. It is because we are still here. That is the reason why we're also doing it. And I want to say thank you for all your support, for making it possible for us to still stand as a government. The other leg of the project is River State is noted first. Our resources were rich. We are very flamboyant people, our dresses, our culture. But how do people see us when they want to visit River State? We can't leave all those responsibilities in the hands of the Honorable Minister and Mr. President. It's a joint thing. So we took it upon ourselves to give a facelift on the driveways around the airport. And I can say it boldly and proudly that anyone who comes into Port Harcourt today feels that sense of, look, these people are serious people. The beauty of the state reflects from the entrance of the state. So I'm happy that it wasn't just something conceived for our personal purposes. It was for the good of River State. That particular project within the airport, the greeter, and the roundabout is 12.2 kilometers. It's not a joke. It's serious business. And I'm happy to say that we delivered it. This particular one that we are starting today is 7.1 kilometers. So you can imagine what we are doing within this axis over 19.3 kilometer road. That is what we are investing in the life and the people of Ipo and the greater. So I want to thank all of you for this particular support. Let me also say it here, contractor, this project will not exceed 8 months. We do not intend to commission this project by next year. It is this year. When I say this year, counting from 8, so this is 1 already. So we're already in December, by the grace of God, transiting to January. So just know that we are coming here in the next 7 months. So the other part of it, let me also throw little light. Our great people of Ipo, as soon as this road commences and is completed, you don't have any business with this other old road. The old road will be told. If you're entering from the entrance there, the police post, there will be a toll gate. You will pay money to enter. And I believe that if you don't have any serious business in the airport, you don't need to come around there now, is it not? If you are coming to your village, you take this one, express, bam, you are in your village. You take this one, bam, you are in your farm. You take this one, bam. If you want to go to the airport, you also pass like this and will collect your money there. So you can understand what we are doing. We are solving problem, and we also want everybody to be happy. Today, I'm also very happy this morning. I'm not just a member of the All Progressive Congress. I am the #1. I have collected, listen, wait now, wait. I have collected my card, and the form is 0001. This moment is not an issue of it be like say, it no be. I am there with all my chest and heart. And what is the message? What is the message? The message is clear. We are going to do everything to make sure that 2027 election for Mr. President will be a smooth drive in Rivers State. How do we do it? It is with all of you here. It is your support. The only way we can continue to tell Mr. President thank you is to support him. So take note, as you're living here, we have started our work. We are not going to relent. We will join force with every other agency, every other group that are in support of the cause of Mr. President. Let me thank you again. Let me thank the community, my adopted community. You people adopted me now. Everywhere I go, you people adopt me. Everywhere you go. That's how I went to on Hassan Yetawusi's place. One other woman said, Nambi Bonam. So here now, people have taken me. My people there for trouble. So let me thank all of you again. Assure you that no matter what it is, we will continue to do what will uplift the face of Rivers State. We will not join in anything that will bring negative news to Rivers State. That is also the message to all of you that are my supporters. Continue with those things that will bring pride and honor to our state. Let me therefore call the Honorable Minister of Aviation and Aerospace Development, to come and talk to his people. He's our brother. We must support him.